guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to straighten my hair today. I have it freshly washed and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is my hair in its natural state without any chemicals. It's not relaxed or anything, it's natural hair. The color, of course. Okay, and I washed my hair with the Aplatir shampoo anti-frizz, and followed up with the Aplatir conditioner in the anti-frizz. And now I'm going to put the Cream of Nature argan oil, and this is going to be my leave-in conditioner and heat protector. But first I'm going to part this hair into 4 sections. I always detangle in the shower so that it's already done, and I feel like my hair detangles better when it's got conditioner in it, so that is when I do it. Alright, so I'm going to start by adding the Cream of Nature argan oil to all 4 sections, but I'm going to do a section at a time. I like to spray a lot just because my hair is so thick. Make sure that it goes all the way through. Alright, and I got this new product to try out. I got this at Sally's yesterday. It's Hair Chemist Sleek. And it's actually in this really cool chrome bottle. But it says that it is anti-humidity shine coat, and it seals hair, protecting it from heat and humidity. And that's exactly what I need, because as soon as I walk outside with straight hair, it's a big old poofy mess again. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on because it says that it's activated by blow drying. Alright. I'll just comb that through, and now I'm going to do the other 4 sections, and then I will be back. Alrighty guys, I'm back. I got all my sections all moisturized and heat protected with the Cream of Nature argan oil and the Sleek for the humidity. So now I'm going to move on to blow drying. I use this Tourmaline ceramic. It's a Pro Red, and I believe I got this at Sally. Yeah, I put the brush accessory on there so that I can get my hair as straight as possible with blow drying. Alright, so I'm going to start section at a time, blow drying. And I set it on warm, and then I'll put it on medium because I won't want it to be like super strong, the wind, but alright guys, this is how straight I got it, just blow drying it. So next I'm going to do the other 3 sections, and then I'll come back on and tell you what I'm going to do next. Alright guys, before I finish up with this side, I just wanted to jump on here and just tell you about something that I do. And I do a cool blast after I am done drying the hair completely, just to cool it down and lock in the straightness. Because I feel like if you leave it hot and then I go and put it into the alligator clip, then it gets the shape of the alligator clip. But if I cool it down first, then it stays like this, and I can put it in the clip and it'll be fine. I just wanted to let you know about that little tip, what I do. Alright guys, I wanted to introduce you to a guest star that I have in the studio today, Miss Evelyn. You want to say hi? She snuck in on me. But okay, I have my hair all blow dried, and I did the cool blast on all the sections, and this is how straight it is with just blow drying. So now I'm going to start with flat ironing, and I'm going to use my Blanche Aplatir in black. I actually just ordered the L'Oreal, but I'm still waiting for it, so I'm using my good old Aplatir today. And no, I'm not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and even though I would love to be sponsored, I'm not. So I just thought I would let you know what tools I'm using. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and resection like I always do. Let's do 4 sections again. It just makes it easier and keeps hair out of my way because I have so much hair. This hair just drives me nuts sometimes. Like, I love it because I have a lot of hair, because yeah, like, I'm so blessed that I'm not like bald or something, but it can be a little annoying sometimes.
Mommy.
Alright, so I am ready to go. It's all heated up. Yeah, extremely hot. I'm going to do a couple passes up here in the roots, and then for the ends I'm going to follow my comb here. And I'm just going to do it straight because it's actually nighttime and I'm getting ready to go to bed, so I don't want to do any curly styles or anything. Well, my hair's blowing this way because I actually have a fan on next to me because it was so hot. My son Christian brought it in for me. guys, that is the first section done. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and finish the other sections just so it doesn't take so long, and then I will be back and I will show you the end results. Okay. Alright guys, this is taking forever. I am exhausted and my foot's asleep, but this is what the first side looks like, all straight. Keep touching it. I have sweaty hands, so that's not helping the situation here of it staying straight, but that is what it looks like. Alrighty, and I saw that it's just a little bit frizzy, so I went ahead and got my Blanche. Oh, if you can see that. Let me get it up here close enough. My Blanche Hair Satin Nectar Nourishing Gloss. I feel like it's backwards. Okay, but anyways, so just do a couple squirts, rub it in my hands, and then rub it on my hair. And I went ahead, I wanted to go ahead and do this so that it doesn't start frizzing up, because I feel like it's going to. The humidity is just so high right now. Especially it's kind of rainy outside, so the humidity is horrible. But, okay, there's that. And that's how it looks. Yeah, pay attention to that. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and do this last section here, and then I will be back and show you the final results. So here I go, guys. I thought I might give you a little glimpse in on how I do the top section, since I didn't really show that. I just showed a back section. Extremely close to those roots, especially since it's going to be there in front. My roots are super curly and finished, and this is how straight my hair is, and I do have all my hair around the front, so, and it is all my hair. It's a lot of hair, but the back, let me part this and brush it out how I usually wear it, kind of like a side part. on here if I can. Legs are asleep. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It took me forever to do this. I'm glad you guys didn't sit through the whole thing because you would just be falling asleep by now. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks, bye!